Sea moss, also known as Irish moss, Chondrus crispus, is a type of red algae that grows along the rocky coasts of the Atlantic Ocean, particularly in North America and Europe. It is characterized with reddish-brown fan-like stems. This marine superfood has been revered for its wide array of health benefits, many of which have been recognized for centuries. Let's explore the diverse and impressive health advantages of sea moss, its various forms of consumption, preparation methods, and other essential details for consumers. Health benefits of sea moss. Rich in nutrients. Sea moss is a nutritional powerhouse, providing an extensive range of essential vitamins and minerals. It contains 92 of the 102 minerals that the human body needs, including iodine, crucial for thyroid function and hormone production; calcium, important for bone health; potassium, helps regulate fluid balance, muscle contractions, and nerve signals; magnesium, supports muscle and nerve function, blood sugar levels, blood pressure, and heart function; vitamins A, C, E, K, and B complex. These vitamins contribute to various bodily functions, including immune support, skin health, and energy production. Supports thyroid health. The thyroid gland requires iodine to produce hormones that regulate metabolism, energy levels, and overall hormonal balance. Sea moss is particularly rich in iodine, making it beneficial for maintaining a healthy thyroid. Historical records indicate that in the 19th century, sea moss was used as a remedy for thyroid-related conditions such as goiter, particularly in regions with iodine-deficient soils. Boosts immune system. Sea moss is rich in antioxidants and contains antimicrobial and antiviral properties, which help strengthen the immune system. During the 19th century, it was commonly used in Ireland and the Caribbean as a natural remedy to fight colds and respiratory infections. Promotes digestive health. The gelatinous nature of sea moss helps soothe the digestive tract and promotes a healthy gut lining. It acts as a prebiotic, fostering the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. In traditional Jamaican cuisine, sea moss has been used for its soothing effects on the digestive system, often incorporated into beverages and soups. Enhances skin health. Sea moss contains vitamins and minerals that contribute to healthy, glowing skin. It is known for its moisturizing properties and can help soothe skin conditions like eczema, psoriasis, and dermatitis. Historical records show that sea moss was used in skincare routines by coastal communities in Ireland and Scotland. Supports weight loss. Sea moss is low in calories and high in fiber, which helps you feel full longer, reducing the urge to overeat. It also supports a healthy metabolism. The fiber content aids in regulating blood sugar levels, which can be beneficial for weight management. Improves mental health. The omega-3 fatty acids in sea moss are essential for brain health. They help improve cognitive function and may reduce the risk of depression and anxiety. Studies have shown that populations with diets rich in omega-3s, such as those consuming sea moss, tend to have lower rates of mental health disorders. Promotes heart health. Sea moss is a good source of potassium, which helps maintain healthy blood pressure levels. It also contains omega-3 fatty acids that support cardiovascular health by reducing inflammation and lowering the risk of heart disease. Historical use in coastal regions often linked sea moss consumption to lower incidences of heart-related ailments. Enhances energy levels. The iron content in sea moss helps boost energy levels by supporting the production of red blood cells, which transport oxygen throughout the body. Detoxifies the body. Sea moss helps detoxify the body by drawing out toxins and heavy metals. Its mucilaginous texture aids in cleansing the digestive tract. How to prepare sea moss. Cleaning. Rinse the raw sea moss thoroughly to remove any debris, sand, or salt. Soak it in cold water for 12 to 24 hours, changing the water several times. Blending. After soaking, rinse the sea moss again. Place it in a blender with fresh water and blend until smooth. The consistency should be gelatinous. Storage. Store the sea moss gel in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will keep for up to 3 weeks. Usage. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of sea moss gel to your smoothies, soups, teas, or other recipes. How to consume sea moss. Sea moss can be consumed in various forms. Raw. Raw sea moss can be soaked and blended into a gel, which can be added to smoothies, soups, and other dishes. Powder. Sea moss powder can be mixed into drinks, smoothies, and recipes for an easy nutrient boost. Capsules. Sea moss capsules offer a convenient way to consume this superfood, particularly for those who dislike its taste or texture. Gels, pre-made sea moss. Gels are available and can be consumed directly or added to foods and beverages. Additional tips for consumers. Dosage. Start with a small amount, such as 1 tablespoon per day, and gradually increase to avoid digestive discomfort. Allergies. If you have a known allergy to iodine or seaweed, consult your healthcare provider before consuming sea moss. Quality. Purchase sea moss from reputable sources to ensure it is free from contaminants and harvested sustainably. Sea moss is a versatile and nutrient-dense superfood with a rich history of use for its numerous health benefits. By incorporating sea moss into your diet, you can take advantage of its natural healing properties and enhance your overall health. Whether you choose to consume it raw, in powder form, or as a gel, sea moss can be a valuable addition to a balanced and healthy lifestyle.